Deliberative research brings people together and gives them the time, information and conditions needed to develop informed opinions in dialogue with each other. They are given evidence, take part in discussions and speak to experts. This ensures that participants are given considered responses rather than what is top of mind. Deliberative research is able to approach complicated and sometimes controversial topics in a credible and thorough way, whilst avoiding polarization of views and engaging people with differing opinions in balanced discussions. The National Centre for Social Research, also known as NatCen, has a dedicated centre for deliberative research. As leaders in this field since 1994, NatCen are well positioned to provide the expertise and methodological excellence required in deliberative research. We offer a range of deliberative methodologies which can be tailored to individual projects and run alongside other types of research. NatCen's extensive range of funders, from government departments to not-for-profit organisations, demonstrates our leadership and networks in this field. Projects range from quick turnaround to longitudinal studies, delivering feedback that informs recommendations and aids policy decision-makers. NatCen ran Britain's first deliberative poll, using video conferencing to give expert evidence and hold group discussions. We have worked with partners to help government understand the public's environmental values and priorities to inform policy making. We have ambitions to grow beyond the UK and collaborate with world-renowned organisations. The Centre for Deliberative Research also provides training to develop researchers and build capacity. NatCen enables high-quality deliberation through our expertise and leadership in this field, engaging citizens to better understand society.